Hi everyone, it's Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home. Today I have a sweet little thrift flip DIY for you all. I'm joining my friend Hillary at Old World Home for her Goodwill challenge today, and I'll link her channel in the playlist below for you all. The concept of the challenge is to find decor for your home secondhand for $5 or less. I found this basket a few weeks back for just $1.75 at my favorite local thrift store. I had a vision for this piece from the moment I saw it. I'm going to also use this floral piece I got from a rummage sale for just 10 cents and some sheet music from my stash. This was my grandma's jewelry box, and in it I keep the letters she wrote to me. I wanted to display these letters in a nostalgic way using this basket. I tucked the letters to the side of the basket using tissue paper to prop them up. I then made 2 simple cones from a strip of sheet music. The hardest part of this DIY was to keep my 3-year-old from grabbing my supplies. I tucked the floral stems in the cones and leaned the cones away from the letters. It still needed something more. Cue my thrifted vintage peachy colored ribbon. I got this ribbon the same day I got the basket for just 10 cents. I cut a generous amount because I am really into drapey ribbons lately. I tied the ribbon around the cones and fiddled some more with the florals. This was the final look, just what I had envisioned. Once I placed the basket back by the door, I felt like the basket was lonely. I grabbed one of my favorite scarves and draped it on the other hook for more visual balance. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and come back for more sweet and simple inspiration. I truly hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Again, the collab playlist is linked below. You all take care, and I'll be back with more soon. Bye!